Wow, this is the new self-cleaning sweeping and mopping machine Roborock P10S, and it's the upgraded version of the P10. It features a sleek white design with two large wastewater and clean water tanks on the base station. To access the internal automatic dust collection bag, simply open the side panel by placing your hand on it. The dust bin can be easily removed by opening the top cover, and it contains a high-efficiency HEPA filter that can be easily installed or removed by pulling up on the filter latch. The side brush can be replaced by unscrewing it with a crosshead screwdriver and tightening it back in place. The roller brush cover can be removed by pressing down on the latch, and the rubber roller brush prevents hair from tangling. Simply align one end of the roller brush with a groove, and gently press it down to install the cover. With its dynamic mechanical arm technology, it can effectively clean corners and crevices. The mop bracket can be easily pulled out, and the magic tape design allows for quick replacement of dirty mops with fresh ones. For more information on sweeping machines, feel free to contact us.